Hello, I'm Peter Paolito. I am the CEO of the Bertocchi Group. We're Australia's largest family-owned small goods producer with more than 600 staff across a dozen state-of-the-art manufacturing plants. We run a nationwide distribution network serviced by a fleet of long-haul carriers and over 40 delivery vans. And we're proud to be the name that people turn to for quality hams, bacon and salamis. Now we're taking that name to the rest of the world. It's the next part of our journey.
The Bertocchi journey began 50 years ago when young immigrant Modesto Bertocchi built a small factory in Thomastown and started producing hams and salamis the way his family had for generations. From day one, his obsession with quality and taste set the standard for small goods in Australia. That obsession has made Bertocchi a multi-award-winning market leader with a range of handcrafted products that are recognised as among the finest in the world. Now, we're taking the next great step in our journey. Welcome to the biggest investment in growth since Bertocchi's inception. We're building a new processing facility in Melbourne, the satellite city in Melbourne's west, that is unprecedented in its scale and its vision. This world-class facility will give Bertocchi the capacity to meet the growing demand in sliced meats and value-added products, both here and overseas. So why Melbourne? It's the beating heart of a major Western growth corridor that will develop exponentially over the next 10 years. And Bertocchi will be a key player in this booming new community. Over 3 stages, we're going to transform this prime location into a state-of-the-art meat slicing and food processing facility, ultimately spread across the entire 75,000 square metre site, and will include provisions for refrigerated storage, distribution and product innovation. Stage 1 of our internationally accredited fit-out will see new state-of-the-art slicing and packing lines for our bacon products, giving us the scalability to meet market demands. And in a separate processing area, we will create a range of new gourmet pre-packaged products, including sliced ham, continental deli meats, sliced cheeses, antipasto and healthy meals. These new rooms will give us the ability to produce upwards of 500 tonnes of volume per week to target the growing food service, retail and export markets. The equipment will be supplied by our long-time partners Weber and Multivac, the market leaders and innovators in safe, rapid slicing and hygienic packaging. Also as part of Stage 1, we'll see the addition of 2 refrigeration rooms and a massive freezer with disinfectant station, as well as kitchen, lunch and locker areas for 200 staff. Stage 2 will see us create 2 large 1,700 square metre rooms dedicated to ham and continental meats processing, bringing more state-of-the-art equipment lines into production, creating even more jobs and furthering our capacity in this ever-growing category. We'll employ the latest atmosphere management system technology to create a comfortable, controlled environment that's optimal for staff and for the produce. And we'll be investing in green energy and a comprehensive waste recycling process to bring the new site into line with our other locations. Finally, Stage 3 will see construction begin on a vast 60,000 square metre production and warehouse complex, providing Bertocchi with the flexibility and capacity to lead the industry for decades to come. And the investment doesn't stop at Melbourne. We're also completing massive upgrades of the Thomastown precinct in both production and administration. We're expanding and rebuilding our smokehouse ovens with exit-only doors that open into a post-cook refrigerated passageway, allowing us to hygienically transfer our cooked product through a temperature-controlled blast chiller environment, which leads directly to the ready-to-eat packing area. This link will preserve product integrity, eliminate any risk of cross-contamination, and comply with the latest international food handling standards. Supporting this is our new laboratory and research facility, where our team of food scientists perform in-house microbiological testing to stay ahead of potential food hazards. Bertocchi has also employed more full-time quality assurance personnel to ensure our commitment to food safety is the highest in the industry. We have a new 3-level office wing under construction to house our growing administration, accounting and management team. Also positioned here will be our new product development team, whose core aim is to develop the future-leading products for our business. Our new amenities wing next door is almost completed and will cater for our ever-expanding production workforce, featuring a vast canteen kitchen area, laundry, shower and change room facility. We're also turning the adjacent warehouse space into a huge processing room for the fermenting and packaging of our salami range, which will see us double our capacity in continental meats. Our new flagship Bertocchi retail outlet is nearing completion. And directly opposite, we've acquired more warehouse space, which will be used for the commissioning of all the new machinery that we'll have coming online. The initial stage of the Melbourne and Thomastown upgrades alone has already seen an investment in excess of $45 million. This is a massive investment in Bertocchi's future. It's also a massive investment in Victoria. That's why the Victorian state government, with its core aim to build regional communities, is throwing its financial and political weight behind us. By the project's completion, our goal is to have created an extra 700 jobs across all of Bertocchi's operations and many more jobs down the line as a flow-on effect from our expansion, bringing our total employment to more than 1,300. It will make Bertocchi one of the state's major employers and a key part of the booming Melbourne community. It's a bold vision for the future, but we're building it on some very strong foundations. We operate our own distribution centres in Thomastown, Bendigo, Geelong, Traralgon, Albury and Mildura. In addition, we have also invested in a major distribution centre located in Strathfield, Sydney, giving us the leverage to expand into Australia's largest market and become more dominant on the East Coast. This expansion is driven by our growing fleet of refrigerated trucks and sales representatives. Combined with our distribution partners in the other states and our relationships with the major supermarkets, we have a nationwide distribution network at our disposal. Our investment in Melbourne-based Alpine Smallgoods has been instrumental in developing our high-quality range of German sausage products under the Verstal brand, which includes products such as Kranskis, Cabana and Bratwurst. In Sydney, our investment with Northside Fine Foods produces a wide range of 100 and 200 gram pre-sliced deli meat packs under a number of popular retail brands. We have the solid backing of our international trade partners Beretta and Noel, both giants in the European small goods industry. We are committed to building even stronger relationships with all of our partners, government, retail and financial. Stage 1 of this exciting journey is happening now. We invite you to join us on that journey. Let's talk about how we can take the next great step together.